Hello everybody, welcome to my another video and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to talk about one very unique strategy which I was just doing an experiment, like going through various strategies which I can just follow to on the binary trading, and this is like one of the best strategies I ever come across, and I actually mean it. This is gonna blow all of your heads. So, and moreover, like this strategy, it helped me make some real quick money just like within the blink of an eye. So without like making it like more surprising, let's just get back to the strategy. So basically what you're gonna do is like you should have the two options. Like if you are actually a binary trader on an Olymptrade, then this strategy is gonna work like very perfectly for you. So what you're gonna do is like you need two binary platforms. Like personally I use Olymptrade and I even use IQ option. So now let's just get back, move to the strategy, what exactly we're gonna do. So what we're gonna do is like it's very simple. First of all, what you have to do is like I'll just show you. Just take any chart. Suppose I took USD JPY as my currency. So from the time frame of chart, you're gonna set it to 1 minute. Suppose it was 30 seconds, so you just set it to 1 minute. And now in this indicator you just have to choose Bollinger bands with the default settings. You don't have to do anything. You just search here Bollinger bands, click on it and just say apply. That's it, nothing else. Now just come back to the Olymptrade, and now you have to change this thing, the actual trading time to 5 minutes. Let's say once you're done with everything, now comes to the real gist of it. First of all, what the strategy says is like this is like this red line, it's an upper band of the Bollinger Band, and this yellow line is the lower band of the Bollinger Band. So what this strategy actually says is like suppose there is a green candle which just touches and even crosses this red upper band of the Bollinger Band, and after that the next candle is going down, which I mean to say is like the next candle is a red candle which is going down, which is not touching this Bollinger Band, the upper band of the Bollinger Band anymore, and it's just going down. So you just wait for this candle to just get finished, and once you feel like okay, this candle has now finished and now it is actually moved down. So when it just moves down, what you gotta do is you just go here to this currency. My currency was USD JPY. You just select it. Okay, so now what you gotta do is like once this candle, the candle just next to the one which was crossing this red line was a red candle, you just gotta put a put option downwards for 5 minutes in the Olymptrade. Or what I just mean to say is like you have to just press this down button. But then in this case, as we can see like okay, maybe this was a red candle, but then if we would have chosen a put button, a down button there, maybe we could go wrong. So to even like confirm, what we gotta do is we even will work with the trend lines. So this is an upper trend, so what my aim is to join all the down points of the candle. So let me just do that. Okay, yeah, perfect. Let me just do it a little more. Done. So now we can see that okay, it's just for a confirmation. Suppose we would have taken a call here, but we know that okay, now it's not the right time because this upper band, this upper line, this trend line, the candles haven't broken its support, so we could have just gone wrong. So now we can see that okay, now the candle has broken its support, and obviously now is the time, maybe like after this candle the next candle is going to be the red candle, and it's definitely and perfectly going to go down, which what I meant to say is it's going to be a red candle. So now let's just wait. Okay, I think we gotta do it. Yeah, we're going fine. Okay, this was also red candle, but then as you can see that this might even lead to okay, now let's just go to the another chart. Let's see if we can find any chart where you are JPY, now you are USD. Okay, so let's search on your USD. Let's see whether we can find a trend there. Okay, as we can see, this is a downtrend which is going on. Let's see here if there's any chart. Okay, yeah, this case. So yeah, let's just make a trend line first. Okay, so this is a trend line we have drawn. And we can see that this candle, as we can see, this has already touched, and even this one is touching the red line, and now it's even crossing the trend line. It's going to come down hopefully. So the moment it just comes down, and after coming down, the next candle is going to be a red candle. We'll just wait for that candle to finish, and after that we're gonna go for a down trade for 5 minutes on Olymptrade platform. So now let's just figure it out. We're gonna make some more trend lines for assurance. Okay, so I think it's going in our favor. Now let's just wait for this candle to get finished. In the meanwhile, let me add this currency, Olymptrade, USD. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna put a trade for like $1,000, even though it's a demo account. Never mind. So this is tutorial. Okay, so let's just wait for this candle to finish. Okay, it's going good. Yeah, and in the meanwhile, if you just don't know how to make a trend line, you can just go through my profile on YouTube. You can just try, you can just search on the internet, on the YouTube, how to make trend lines in stock markets, and just go through this video. In that video I've taught how to make the trend lines correctly. Okay, so this was the red candle, so it's the time for us to actually press the down button to go for the put option. Okay, so it was for 5 minutes. As you can see, the chart here is going to be for 1 minute, and the trading, we are going to take the trade for like 5 minutes. As we can see, okay, we are definitely going to be in the profit. See, we are going in the profit, and so let's see what happens. And in a similar manner, suppose the chart was going down, just in like this case, you could have taken a call option here. Like I can even take it now. It's URJPY. So let me just go to this currency, URJPY. So just because it was okay here, even here, first for our surety, for our confirmation, we should definitely first make a trend line, so that just in case if this was a green line, and if you would have just gone for a call option, and suppose this was a red line even lower than this one, so obviously it's going to be in a loss. So in that case, it's always recommended that you first do a trend line even with this. So it's just like the opposite of what we did now. What we're gonna do is, like, suppose the red candle just touched the lowest span of the Bollinger band, and after making the trend line as well, we just got confirmed that okay, the next candle is going to be the green one, and it's going to go away from the yellow one in the upward direction. The moment this candle would have got finished, we would have just taken a put option here. So I guess I can even do it now. Okay, I just hope that you got an idea what we are actually doing. Let me see if I can find like a more perfect chart for you for this one. No, GBP USD. Okay, it's still building up. AUD USD. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one. This is one of the best charts. So we gonna make a trend line first, a downtrend line. Okay, so it started going upwards. Let's see. In the meanwhile, I'll even add this currency here. This currency was AUD USD. Okay, so yeah, this was the green candle. So now I'm going to put a call option for 5 minutes. And why I did that, because this was the red candle which was made, and the moment, just like after this candle, there was a break of the trend line and it started moving in the forward direction, and the moment it just completed, we got to know that we have to make a put option now. So this is all about the strategy. It works in like 95% of the cases. I have actually worked on this strategy for like very long. I've actually tested it, and it's definitely going to give the result. Okay, and let me see if I can do it. Okay, so this is the trade which it took, and let's see how's it going. Okay, so as you can see, like 1 minute is left and we are going in a profit. So let's see what happens, and definitely this is a win-win situation and we're gonna win. And similarly, this other one, which one was it? AUD USD. Okay, so we have like 4 minutes left, and obviously this is going to go on the top of this line, on the top of the strike rate where we had actually pressed the put option. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You got to know what exactly we need to do, and as you can see, we are running in the profit. USD CAD1, like our first trade which we did, and that's it. I hope you just enjoyed the video, and that's it for today. Give it a try. I'd love to hear your feedback, your comments, and just feel free to reach me out anytime. And yeah, just don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So as you can see, we actually made a good profit this one. So yes, this strategy worked, and I've even showed you live, like yes, it did work for me as well, and yeah, it works in like 95% of the cases. So thank you guys for watching. Just share, like, share and subscribe, and good night. Bye.